This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Measure and assemble all ingredients before you start. 1/2 cup fresh lemon juice, 1 cup cold water, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, and 3 tablespoons unflavored gelatin. If you want a sharper bite, add 1 tablespoon citric acid. For aroma, add 1 teaspoon lemon zest. Prepare tools: a small saucepan, silicone gummy bear mold, silicone dropper or small spoon, whisk, and a heatproof bowl. Keep molds on a flat tray and have a refrigerator space ready. This prep step saves time and prevents gelatin clumping during heating. Start by whisking 3 tablespoons unflavored gelatin into 1 cup cold water and let it bloom for 3 to 5 minutes until swollen and spongy. In a small saucepan, combine 1/2 cup lemon juice, 1/4 cup sugar, and optional 1 teaspoon lemon zest. Then heat gently to about 160 degrees F, 71 degrees C, just until the sugar fully dissolves. Do not boil. Remove from heat and stir the hot lemon syrup into the bloomed gelatin until completely dissolved and glossy. Strain mixture into a heatproof container to remove any lumps before filling molds. Working quickly, use a silicone dropper or small spoon to fill each gummy bear cavity with the warm lemon gelatin syrup. Aim to fill 50 to 70 bears depending on mold size. Tap the mold gently to release air bubbles, then place the mold on a flat tray and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight for a firmer chew. To remove, flex the silicone mold and pop bears out. If sticky, toss lightly with 1 tablespoon cornstarch or 1 teaspoon powdered sugar. Store in an airtight container in the fridge up to 2 weeks and keep away from heat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.